wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back to the show on the West Coast. And I noticed you guys really enjoyed my last 3 videos. Thank you guys so much for the view and the shares, because I noticed also a lot of people are sharing it through their friends or through the social media. So thank you guys for all the love and support in the channel. But today I'm at my happy place. Where's my happy place? On the water. But today is even more on the water, because we're actually launching back behind the house and we're ready to go with the show. And look at her, she's taking the whole kitchen with her. Why are you taking the whole kitchen? Because we're gonna have barbecue, and hopefully we're gonna do our journey back where we were last time we were here at the West Coast. And this time there's an event going on, so we're gonna go check it out. There's some cloudy things up there, brother. Cloudy things, so hopefully we don't get wet. But if we get wet, we gotten wet plenty of times over here, so you know, no matter, it don't matter. So let's go with the show one more time. Are you guys ready? Yeah, you like the house? Okay, let's go. Come on, show. Jump on the boat too. Whoa. Hey, I feel like Yogi Bear. Hey. Alright guys, so today I'm excited because we're going to a sandbar party here on the West Coast. This is gonna be my official first time attending it, because last time they had it, we went, but the red tide was really bad, so we only drove by, we didn't stay. But so far so good. There has been no news about red tide, so we're hoping the water is good enough to jump in and enjoy the party. Look at that, boy. They're looking cool with our sandbar merch. And you know where to get it, right? FrescoChannel.com, baby. I got Fresco Channel merch. So yeah, at FrescoChannel.com you can get Fresco Channel merchandise or sandbar life. Oh, by the way, thank you. Lately, there's been a lot of people buying stickers. Thank you guys for sticking them on your boat, on your car, or wherever you want. So thank you guys for the love and support. It's been a fun trip so far. Let's keep going. Well, once again, Mother Nature's warning us that we might get wet on the way there. And we already gotten wet a few times, so I guess one more, it doesn't really bother us. And by the way guys, I've gotten numerous messages, people asking what happened to Tuesday's video, and I think that's awesome that you guys are waiting to watch the video and you guys actually miss it. And for those that follow me on Instagram, they noticed I posted a few clips of the sandbar parties and they were curious and waiting to see it on Tuesday. And the thing was, I stayed an extra day up in the West Coast to relax a little bit more, and I didn't have time to edit the video, but I'm here coming through on Wednesday. And if you like watching the videos, well, you're gonna have plenty to watch because I got a lot of footage. And like you see, cloudy skies and all, but there's a lot of people going out to enjoy the day. Yeah, the same thing with this.
Yo, that's a camera, you're a weirdo.
And here we have some of the West Coast boaters hanging out at the Miserable Mile, watching the boats go by. And also, a dolphin went by. guys, we're at it again. Another 44-mile drive over to the sandbar. But the best part is most of the navigation is on flat water. So we adjust our throttle to hit 30 miles an hour and lay back and enjoy the ride. This ride is like practice makes perfect, because the first time we did it, it seemed like a very long time and very far. But now, this is going to be like our fourth or fifth time going, so it doesn't seem that far. And the actual ride itself, without stopping, is an hour and about 45 minutes. And just like that, we have reached Boca Grande sandbar, and we were amazed how many boats we saw from the distance. And for me, this is very surprising because I've been to events on the water that have been a lot of boats like the Columbus Day Regatta at Eliaki. But here, I estimate double or even triple the amount of boats because they're scattered everywhere on the sandbar, off the sandbar, on the islands, by the railroad tracks, by the bridge. They're everywhere. water there. So we try to work our way through the crowded area and try to find a spot closest to the stage, but not too close because I knew more boaters were coming. I didn't want to get locked in inside or find myself in a boat jam trying to get out. And after driving about 25 minutes or so, I think we found a spot. The only thing I wasn't so happy with was the floor. It had seaweed, but I guess it'll do for today because this sandbar is pretty big, but I guess there's so many boats that all of us couldn't fit on top of the sandbar. And I guess I won't be the only one walking towards the stage. Well, the hopper's secure on the seaweed patch, but guess what? The kids nor Ogida wanted to go in the water and touch the seaweed, so I guess it's gonna be a solo act. So I grabbed my cameras and headed out on my own to see what the West Coast Sandbar Party is all about. And as I worked my way through the boats and closer to the stage, I was surprised to see how many people were here. And I know I'm gonna get this question because I already got it on Instagram when I posted the clip. The water is murky because of all the boats moving around, people moving around, so that's why it looks so dark. Because normally the water here is pretty clear. And also, another question I got, where do the people go to the bathroom? Well, take a wild guess. And before heading over to the stage, I decided to walk around and see what the West Coast boaters are up to. far? It's good?
Love it, love it.
That's great.
Good time.
Well guys, this is definitely different than the sandbar parties we do in Miami, but it has the same idea. People are still celebrating the sandbar life and having fun in the sun with family and friends. And talking about friends, it was a great pleasure meeting the fans that watch the channel here on the West Coast. To those that I spoke to and the ones that wave hi from their boats. But don't go anywhere because yep, there is more video to this party, because from here we headed over to another island because Olguita couldn't return home empty-handed. And after that we went to a house party, so there are plenty of more videos coming tomorrow.